All right, let's talk about the DJI FPV and the motion controller.
That is so fun!
Hey awesome people, I'm Ellie Awesome, a technology and lifestyle reviewer, and I have never flown a drone before. I choked on my own words. It's probably because it's shocking news. For years I have wanted to get a drone. I've thought about it, I haven't done it. And then at the start of the year, I got really interested in FPV and I was like, I'm gonna get everything. Fat Shark, mini drone, practice, flight simulator. Just when I was about to drop at least $1,000 on all this gear to get into the hobby, I saw this. It was crazy timing. I got the whole DJI FPV combo kit because it's pretty much the same amount of money I was about to drop. Now I get to experience drone flying in all the ways. Add on the motion controller, I'm unstoppable. But if you're a beginner like me, a couple of quick tips. Make sure to fly it in a place it's not over people's heads or cars. Check the weather conditions, not too windy, not rainy. You can use a website like to make sure you're not in an unsafe or off-limits airspace. This website is also amazing because it tells you where power lines are. You need to avoid them. Another important part of flying FPV is bringing a spotter with you so that they can keep a line of sight on the drone. It will help obstacle avoidance, generally speaking. And what's even more helpful is they can refer from the real life view to your FPV view on the phone screen that's connected to the device while flying, which I found really helpful and important. I've got a couple more tips for beginners, such as some accessories you definitely want to consider buying if you're purchasing this kit. So stick around through the video to find out more, but otherwise, let's fly this baby.
Oh my gosh. Going for takeoff. What the? Oh God, what is it doing? Why is it spinning? Oh, it's me! I'll just try rotating it sideways. How's that look? Down. I look up. That all seems quite intuitive. Oh my gosh. I'm flying it. So I can fly it past. Does that seem okay? Yep. Wow, it's actually so easy to fly. I said I wasn't going to go in the water, but I'm doing it. Okay, so I can see a home point. It's hovering over us, which is amazing. How close am I to the water? Whoop. Go up. Woo! It actually gives you the height. Alrighty. I'm going to try land it. Am I okay underneath? Yep. Coming down. And stop recording. That is so fun! Okay, you gotta try. It's so intuitive, it's so weird.
Tell me, what do you see on screen? Like, what are the, obviously you gotta check battery life and stuff like that.
Battery is at 71.
Yep.
I can see down in the left bottom corner that you can see what your speed and height.
Do keep track of like your distance from the ground, obviously.
Yeah.
Just try to keep like a few meters above the ground.
Mm-hmm.
And that's all you really need to know. Again, the trigger is your acceleration. The red button.
Double press it.
Double press. All right, that's starting the motor.
All right, and take that.
I'll take the phone.
Alrighty.
Is it telling you what to do?
Okay, it says press and hold the lock button to take off.
That's it. All right, now you see that dot in the middle of the screen on your goggles?
Yeah.
All you have to do is just try rotating try sort of just rotating before you accelerate. So that's turning like that way. And also you can rotate it like sideways. That does a spin. You see that?
Yeah.
Also remember this big fat button here is pause.
That's the brake button.
That's just full on stop.
Yeah.
Looking good. Great stuff. Maybe come back now. Woo! Here it comes. Alright, do it. Your first try. Oh my god, that's fast. I do wonder about the propellers being in shot though. I've heard that's a thing because I've seen that different drones have them. Is it just a matter of cropping them?
Oh, that's so cool.
You did it!
That is really easy to fly.
Yeah!
Whoa.
That is. And we got the glasses in under there.
Yeah.
When you're flying with the motion controller, you do get this cool dot on screen, and you just have to point it where you want to go. So you're maneuvering your controller, and then you've got this little dot that follows it, and all you have to do is just use this like a joystick, and the drone flies it. It makes it incredibly easy. I don't think it would be a lot harder to fly with the remote control, but it probably is. We may have set ourselves up for a bad run with the regular controls.
Maybe.
But also, I have been using the flight simulator, and Nikki's had to go too. So flight simulator to get better. But man, this is the future. Check this out. 92%.
Nice.
Heck yeah. I'm going to lift it up and then attempt to go into sport mode. Okay, now we're sport mode. It says obstacle avoidance unavailable. Wow, you really can get quite fast turns. Like, watch this. Woo!
Wow.
What the?
That's cool.
Alright, that's crazy. I'm gonna stop now. Alright, as promised, the accessories that you should get for this drone are simply some more props just in case you chip a propeller or whatever. The Fly More kit, this thing is amazing. It comes with 2 extra batteries and this cool little charging piece that allows you to charge 3 batteries at once. Considering this drone has 20 minutes of flight time per battery, approximately, this was well worth it. I just got enough of a taste of flying a drone and just felt content after using 3 batteries. I absolutely could have gone for 6 batteries though. And also you'll definitely want to invest in a backpack to carry around your drone and all its components. And I've got some suggestions in the description with links to where to buy them. Otherwise, check out some more of my videos, hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe for more, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye.